This is because I talk too much. That's what I realize when I'm doing this tutorials. I talk too much and I intend to like bore you guys. So I don't want to do that. So I want to be looking at time like yo. I don't want to be like just talking, you know. So yeah, we're proving this identity. It's compound angles, by the way. I don't want to edit anything because I have to stop this recording and do it and do another one, just like what I did previously. Of course, you won't see that. It's called a bloop. But yeah, let's do it. Okay, we're proving this thing. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Yeah, I forgot about that. But it's okay. I think it's okay because I can go back. Let me check. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I can go back. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. First thing first, to prove this, we need a distance formula. We need to calculate the distance between K and L using a distance formula. Let's do it. Let's just go straight up to it. Bear in mind, I will have to erase this. And, yep, I don't know. Yep. This is a distance formula for, I, you know what? For those of you who doesn't know distance formula, this is a distance formula. This is how we write a distance formula. I don't know if you don't know a distance formula. I don't know how did you get it. If you want me to explain this, I will explain this in the next tutorial. First time when we do things, we just, you just trying to see how you react. You know, I like just doing it. I wonder. That's two. For those of you been watching my tutorials, you know how I write. Now I have to pause this.